Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is different for me. I am preparing liver and bacon casserole. And the granddaughter doesn't like liver, but she loves the flavour of the gravy, so we stick our sausages in with it. Frying it up now and crisping it up, then it'll go into the crock pot. She buys diced bacon, Larndons. Well, lovely. Keep you updated. Ooh, it's getting there. It's steaming up my camera. Stand back in amazement. Tea time. Do I do the dishes? Nah. The smell is absolutely gorgeous. Stop recording. I tell you what, I wish this was smell-o-vision. It smells absolutely phenomenal. Gorgeous. I've started this before my live, and now I have to stop because I'm on air in 15 minutes. I'll come back to it. I might even wipe up by then. Nah. Right. Light's not very good there, is it? Let me turn the underlights on. There. That's the liver and the sausages in there. The sausages they're only in there to keep them hot, because the granddaughter doesn't like liver, so she has sausage as well. Bacon's in there on the go. And now I'm just about to corn flour and a cup of tea. Make me gravy to go in there. Yeah. You want to smell this? It's absolutely gorgeous. Now making some gravy. Because the bacon, the liver and Alicia's sausages are in there. And yes, she's what, 8-year-old, and she'll have 3 of those. So I used a little bit of oil that came out of the bacon and the liver to go in the gravy. Look at that, eh? Whoa. Nice and thick. And what do I use? I use brownings for the gravy colouring. Yeah, that's it. Now it's coming to the boil. Now it'll thicken up. And corn flour, proper gravy. Get it on the boil, thicken it up, drop it in there, put the lid on, forget about it, leave the washing up until tonight when they can do it. There you go. Look at that, eh? doing the Sunday roast, and I got the meat pan there with all the little bits that have fallen off the joint in. Leave it in there and do the gravy in that pan. Ooh. Yep. It's as good as. On to medium. Oh, that flicker's on there. There we go. Smell-o-vision. Guess who gets to lick one of the bowls out? Nom 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 nom. Is that good? And as she licking those bowls out, you realise how bloody long her tongue is.